As baristas, it's important to know some of the simple basics behind our machine, our espresso machine, and we use a Synesso triple group head machine. One of the most important things to understand right off the bat is how to turn on and off the machine and how to turn on and off the heating elements of the machine. So right under the serving bar, you'll look and you'll see a button, and you'll know it's on because the switch will literally light up. You'll also know that it's on. As far as the heating element, you hit it to the left, and right there on the switch it says on, and then to turn it off, you hit it to the right and it'll say off on the switch. So that's really the basics that we need to know. If you look at the machine, there's 3 group heads where the espresso shots are literally pulled from. And there are 3 group handles as well where we'll load our espresso. On each side of the machine, we have steam wands and steam levers to turn those on. And just to the right of the middle group head, you'll see a spout that gives us hot, fresh, filtered water as well. If you look down under the machine, you'll find a little control panel. On that control panel, you'll see BG1, BG2, BG3. Those are our group heads that are labeled with the temperatures next to them. You'll also see the steam wand temperature down on the bottom right corner. So if you ever need to adjust, you see the temperature is extremely low or extremely high, or just off a little bit, and you want to make sure that the temperature is set correctly, you'll see 4 buttons. The top button, it's a bigger circle, and you'll click that and it'll begin to scroll through different screens. It'll go accordingly, group head 1, and it'll have your temperatures that you can set. Then it'll go to an auto flush. You click it again, it'll go to group head 2, click, auto flush, and then so forth. The next time you click it, you'll go to group head 3, it's auto flush, and you'll click it again, you'll see the steam wand adjustment temperature. You'll click one more time, and you'll be able to see the timing of the freshwater spout. And then after that, it'll take you back to the front menu. So if you need to change something, for instance, the steam wand temperature is too low. So you'll hit that top button on the left and you'll scroll through till you see the steam wand temperature. And then you'll select the button that is correlated with the row in which the temperature is set. And you'll click that button and it'll begin to flash. And then there's 2 arrows on the bottom and you can go up or down. And when you're done, you simply hit that top left button and you scroll back to the main menu and you're set. Another important thing to realize on the machine is the drain to your right. We want to make sure that's always clean. So every night during shifts, you want to make sure you rinse down all any used coffee, espresso that's built up in the drain, any milk that's been built up, and you want to make sure it's flushed through. If that clogs up, that can create severe plumbing issues, and also it is a hassle to clean, I know for a fact. One of the most important things that we really didn't realize until we experienced ourselves is that if we ever hear the machine beeping, just a light, subtle beep, that is extremely bad. That means that the water in the tanks is out and the machine is about to overheat. So you immediately want to turn the heating mechanism off first and then turn the machine off. Contact a manager immediately to make sure we get this issue handled. That is telling us that there's no water going into the machine. And because the machine is working at extremely high temperature and there's no water, it'll burn up and ruin the machine. So if it's ever beeping, just immediately turn it off. Those are some of the basics of our machine and some of the most important things to know right off the bat just to help you as a standard barista to do the job that you need to do.